So I'm sure you got this email from the district, from Superintendent Matthews and Mark Sanchez are, uh, okay, we got this bunch of communication from the district. You should know that school is closed until the end of the school year, which was originally scheduled on June 2nd, instead of our March or May 1st, right? There was a chance that schools would reopen on May 1st. That is not the case. It is closed. Okay, some people are still joining. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen right now, and school's closed until June 2nd. I'm sure you have questions for me based around that, like how are grades being handled? Will there be a final? I don't have the answers to that just yet. I'm meeting with my department tomorrow afternoon, and hopefully my department chair will give me more answers. But as of right now, I don't know more than what you know and what this email says. School's closed until June 2nd. The learning still happens if you listen to our superintendent talk to you on the phone. So beginning on April 13th, right, that's when teacher-led learning will occur, and that's when teachers can require you to do work within reasonable constraints, and they'll start grading you whether or not we go to pass, no pass, or give out letter grades this semester. And that's next Monday. The principal also said in her previous email that there may be a schedule released. I don't know what that schedule looks like. We may be going back to the neutral schedule. We may be doing something else. I have no idea. But it's likely that our times of 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. will change next week depending on that schedule. And I'll do my best to pre-record videos and post those in the morning so that you have all day to watch them, and then whenever we meet for class you can ask me questions on the classwork or homework or whatever it is, instead of doing like live work on this, listen to me talk, blah blah blah. Okay, so any questions related to this news? I hope you got it in your student emails. Yes, no? Grading period, so it is scheduled to end, I think, on like next Wednesday or something. And the district hasn't told us whether or not grades are due. I think it's just going to be set to teachers have to submit grades. I'm of the camp, if I have to do so, I'll give you all A's or something like that. Right, and then I don't have to do that. Yes, good point. But like for people that I'm not sure what your other teachers think, but if it is the case that they are grading and they give you like lower grades, like all your teachers should be reasonable understanding. But I have some doubts out there. Some people will just grade you really harshly. Yeah, and I tested it. If you borrowed a Chromebook from the district, Zoom now works on district Chromebooks on your browser. Also, Google Meets works on those. Previously, like in the week before, they don't work, but now they do. Okay. Okay, hacking Synergy is going to be a lot harder. Like, I was giving out laptops or helping the district pass out laptops, and I talked to some people from the Department of Tech, and it's quite complicated how Synergy works. Okay, other questions? Okay, so then we start the math learning part.